We're on the banks of the Severn River near Lydney Harbour. We've got near on 400 pairs of children's shoes spread out. They are symbolising our grief for the futures that many of our children will not have. With climate change, waters rise, both from the melting of the ice pack, but also just from the expansion of the water with increased temperature. Climate change is happening much faster than was predicted. Some climate scientists are now saying it's going to be 4 degrees rise by 2050, which is the date at which the government is saying that they're really going to start taking climate change seriously. 4 degrees climate change means probably quite widespread starvation, probably social breakdown, end of our civilization as we know it. And the government are doing very, very little to stop it.
I live just up the road from the river, so it's a really special place to me. I come here quite often and watch the tides coming in and out. And I suppose for me it's a really poignant place because we have the risks of flooding. A lot of villages locally flood, certainly further up the river. I'm driven to come here today because I've got grandchildren and because I care about their future and because I lie in bed quite often at night worrying about what their future's going to be like. We're going to leave this planet in a place that's not safe for them, that's not sustainable for them. And that is really painful. And so anything that I can do really to bring attention to this the sort of crisis that we're in, the biggest crisis that humanity has ever faced.
So this is a call out to the government. Look at what our future of our children and of us is. Now is the time to do it. As we're coming out of COVID-19, this is a time to change the economy, change the direction, get rid of the carbon industries, replace them with green industry. That is what the government has to get on with now, rather than going on and funding the carbon industry.